bird on a tree. I'm just sitting here. I got time.
Hello guys, hope everyone is okay. And a long time I not make a movie, any video for my vlogging. So a long time after I will show you a unboxing iPhone XR. I will buy that one yesterday. So I unboxed already. So I will show you right now again unboxing iPhone XR. This is a very new mobile. You can see here the picture of the box, and I will show you inside also. Let me open. Okay, what we found here, iPhone designed by Apple in California. Okay, we have first of all some stickers for iPhone logo. So another one, that's very nice. Another one, we have one paper, Arabic writing. I don't understand Arabic, sorry for that. Maybe instruction description like that. And another one, they have paper for SOS calling, power off, how you power off, press and hold, and side buttons, either volumes bottom to turn off iPhone, and making an emergency call, charging, okay, side button, dates, and hello, and everything is showing here. You see the screen, how you unlock and locked, and how you make a volume button and tap to wake, and anywhere. A lot of option here iPhone have. So let me show another one. What we have? Okay, we have one bag also. Okay, finally guys, let me show you my heart's telephone. I like so much. See, 6.1 LCD screen. So iPhone XR, see here the white color, the camera, and 128 GB is here, and 12 MP reals and 7 MP truth depth front cam. Let me see front cam. Wow, front cam also very nice. So what I am saying to you, iPhone XR, the description I told you again. Lighting USB cable, you know the charging cable is lighting cable. The showing, the I will show you here also. The actually lighting showing here somewhere, I don't know, I will on, then after I will show you. Maybe here some lighting is on here, blue lighting, and very nice. And this is an iPhone XR with iOS 12 in a white color and 128 GB. Very nice space. And thickness, you see here thickness, and memory card, how you put the SIM here. And another function I will let me show you. Here is the charger. Let me show you charging on, and okay, here is that. Okay, very nice. I like the style of iPhone XR new model. So I will show you another things what I got. Okay, headphone is here, the original headphone, Apple headphone. Wow, very nice. So here we can see her headphone only, and that's it guy. I will show you the box, all the description here. Made in China, but designed by Apple California. This is from America, and assembled in China. Okay, 128 GB, very nice. And iPhone XR earport is that I show you already. And lighting, cable lighting, USB adapter, sensor USB, pricing, charge, technology, calculating, GSM, okay, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, CCP, GPS, a lot of things you will found here. So that's it guy, I will show you iPhone XR on. see here guys, now on. Let me show you, I'm excited. Here is the Apple logo. Okay, finally I start the iPhone XR. Okay, here I on the mobile. You see a lot of options is here, but I will check the camera first of all, front cam and the back cam. Okay, here the camera, you see me here, very nice camera. So I will take my first picture in this mobile. Okay, very nice, see the graphics here, very nice color. And I will check the another cam also. Let me show you the back cam. Okay, back cam also here. I will show you, take a picture and show you. Okay, here. Guys, I like the thickness of this mobile. See here, not too big. For me, hope you like this video and iPhone XR video unboxing. So have a nice day, have a take care, okay, bye.